I lit. That boy be on that master shit, man. That boy reeled the nigga back just to reel in that cat. Ooh. Damn. That boy caught some big shit.
That's why I said fall all the way back, my nigga.
That one is saying, see that boy. You don't understand when I tell you, boy, you a master at this shit. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, did they tell you though?
Huh?
If you catch it in front of me, I get half, okay? Just so you know.
I got you.
Damn, that is a big deal.
Damn.
Biggest
I
one I've
look like,
ever seen anybody get one out.
for real?
Yeah.
You witnessed this live.
Wait, I'm on IG Live?
Yeah.
What?
That's what you had said to me.
Fuck. Yo, he's slithering, huh?
That nigga said you gotta get the fuck up out of here. Ooh. That mean, boy.
I do this.
That bit that's called it out again. This time y'all seen it live, bitch. Y'all seen this shit live. Y'all see the camera fall back how it did. Boy cast and caught. Just like that. I tell you, man, this nigga's a wizard at this shit. This nigga do this shit for real. You feel me? Let me get that close up. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. The bait god, man. Sosa LaFleur at Snikudo.
YouTube coming soon.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned.